Hello, I'm Anita Birtles, and one of the things that I really love is scrap quilting and improv quilting. And today I'd like to look at some of the improv quilting I've done recently. The quilt behind me, I'd made crumb square blocks, which are like these, but they were all green, horrible green. I didn't like the green and I didn't know what to do with them, but I was absolutely inspired by the Japanese craft of Kintsugi at an angle so that I can pop something into it. Now I've gone with the gold on this one, and I've cut a 1.5 inch strip of gold in order to give me a nice 1 inch finish.